ancient empire. Creation to circa 450 AD. Creation, the fall, the flood, and the Tower of Babel. Mesopotamia and Sumer, Egyptian. 3000 BC, 3000 BC. Indus River, Valley, ancient Minoans and Mycenaeans. 7 wonders of the ancient world. Patriarchs of Israel. 2000 BC, 2000 BC. Hittites, Canaanites, Cush, Assyrians, Babylonians, China sharing dynasty, Hinduism and India, Phoenicians and the alphabet, Olmecs of Mesoamerica, Israelite exodus and desert wandering, Israelite conquest and judges, Greek dark ages, Israel's united kingdom. 1000 BC, 1000 BC, early Native Americans. Israel divides into 2 kingdoms, Homer and Hesiod, Rome founded by Romulus and Remus. Israel falls to Assyria, Assyria falls to Babylon, Lao Tzu, Confucius, Buddha. Judah falls to Babylon, temple destroyed, Babylon falls to Persia. Jews return and rebuild the temple. Roman Republic, golden age of Greece, Peloponnesian wars. Persia falls to Alexander the Great. India's marine empire, mines of Mesoamerica. Punic wars, Rome conquers Greece. Roman dictator Julius Caesar, Caesar Augustus and the Pax Romana, John the Baptist, Jesus the Messiah. Year 180, year 180, year 180, Pentecost and the early church. Persecution spreads the gospel. Herod's temple destroyed by Titus. Diocletian divides the Roman Empire. Constantine legalizes Christianity. India's Gupta dynasty. Castle of Nicaea, Augustine and Hippo. Jerome can place the Vulgate. Visigoths, Zach Rome.
Good job, you guys. Are you so tired from singing that long?
Yeah. My legs hurt from singing.
Your lips hurt?
Legs.
Oh, your legs hurt. Good job, guys.